Welcome back and welcome to another Geometry Do Homework with me. Before we get started, let us pray. Dear God, in your scripture, Psalm 139:1, you said, "You have searched me, Lord, and you know me." And God, thank you for knowing me the best and loving me the most. I'm so grateful for you. Thank you, and thank you for Jesus in this special season. All right, let us look at your homework 1. It says, are these two figures similar? And you already see the keys here. That's okay. I hope you try your best first and then check the keys. And the method is pretty simple. It says you need to find the corresponding sides, which was the practice you did in your previous worksheets. You find the corresponding side. So you have a 12 to 40. Then you simplify it. And you can do small steps if you want to. So that's 4, 3. That's 4 times 10. And then you simplify. That's a 3 to 10. That's a scale factor. Then you continue check. You see here is 24. So you're going to check 24 and 80 because these two are corresponding. Okay? After you simplified, you should also have 310. And then you're going to check 18 and 60 because these two guys, they are corresponding. So you check 18 to 60. And then you also get a 3 to 10. When these three scale factors are exactly the same, you can say these two figures, these two solids are similar solids. Okay, if you understand question 1, you should be able to do 3, and I'm going to demonstrate one more. Okay, question 2. All right, remember, when you pick these dimensions, you don't just randomly pick them. You will find the corresponding. Okay, so this one 50 and this one is 20. So you do 50 over 20 and then you simplify. The scale factor is 5 to 2. Then you do 40 and 80. 40 to, excuse me, I meant to say 8. And that's, okay, and then scale factor is 5 to 1. Did you say 5 to 1 is not 5 to 2? Remember, in order to be similar solids, we have to have the same scale factor from the beginning to the end. Since we don't have it, I know they are not similar solids. Now I'm really confident that you can conquer the remaining problems, tackle them, and your homework is all the odds in this section. Okay? And if you want to do the even, that's fantastic because in class we can pick a few even do it. If you finish first, that's awesome.